Alright guys, welcome to episode 1 of the KTM 525 long travel installation. So most of all, this is a very cool project that we put together. So this is footage that I've been sitting on for a while. This all got put together in July of 2021. But the parts were basically ordered in February of 2021, and I'm pretty much just going to go over what's going on in the video as the video goes on, and basically just the background of the project. But yeah, let's get into it. So basically, it's a project that we've been thinking about doing for a very long time. Having this bike, this particular 525 we basically had since brand new since 2008, and you've also seen our 505 SX that we acquired, I think, back in, I want to say, 2016. Awesome bike, really cool. And so basically we wanted, having ridden that one, the difference, what that long travel does is it's amazing. And we wanted to have that same suspension on the 525, which even before we got the 505, we've always thought of putting that long travel kit on it, which was, I believe, something you could acquire from the dealerships back in the day. But basically, we finally decided to pull the trigger on it. And in February we ordered all the parts, such as the front A-arms, the rear axle, ball joints, and everything. But it really took a while for everything to come in. Like, everything didn't come in until, I want to say, June, July, and this got put together basically the week before we went out for a trip in I want to say the week after 4th of July to Pismo, and which that video will be coming out soon. But basically, in this video we'll be installing the rear axle, and honestly, I want to say it was a pretty easy process. I time-lapsed the video. But alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and let the rest of the video play out. If you guys would like to know more information on this build, please let me know down in the comments. There will be a part 2 to this coming out very soon, and enjoy the rest of the video, guys, and make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you.